My build is called Wounded Warrior. We're from Fort Worth, Texas.
Okay.
I got 8 Crossfire C7 18s on 2 Crossfire 16Ks.
16. Very nice. This is unique the way you built the enclosure.
Yes, it's something different, man. I wanted something different. Yeah. And I did it all myself. Man.
All yourself. You've done a lot of testing and tuning, you can tell. Very nice. Do you know like the cubic space on it and
There's
the specs?
20 cubes on each side on the sealed side.
Okay.
It's a 3-to-1 fourth order.
Okay.
So
nice. Wow, and it's deep.
yeah, it's deep.
Very.
It's deep.
What have you metered it just for SPL at all?
It does a 163 at like 44 hertz.
Okay, nice. And you still can play. How low are you playing on it?
It'll play down to about 14.
14? 14. That's good.
Yeah.
Really good bandwidth, man. Awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I see? Is the amps open in the back? Awesome. Woo!
Willard Johnson.
What's going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Willard system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like if you enjoyed the video so far. And a crazy system with 8 18-inch subs in his Danali. Really looking forward to showing y'all a really great reaction from 2 other people hearing it, as well as myself, and some crazy flex inside and out of the vehicle. I like the amplifier rack style that he has. Definitely unique, and everything's really clean install. And he was actually playing some music in the back while he was giving another demo. You could really hear the lyrics outside the vehicle and in. Unique style, actually having the way he has his amplifier cooling system coming from his AC vents. So smart idea if anybody's looking to cool your amps that way. I put all links in the description if you want to kind of see where to get this product and what kind of stuff he's always running in his system. So notice the way he has his port PVC roundovers in the front. This is a 4th order enclosure. Very unique to be able to build into the vehicle. Optimal amount of space, 3-to-1 ratio, meaning every cube in that sealed box is 3 cubes on the outside of the box. So really big box, and having those motors really close together shows that it was a tight fit, but he optimizes space to get as loud as possible. Really windy, efficient system as well. So a total of 32,000 watts on 8 18-inch subs. We're getting to a bass demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos on my channel every day, and enjoy this 4-minute demo. Thank you for the info, man. I'm ready for a demo. Yes, sir. All right.
We're about to get rustified.
Yeah, this Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Gold with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and
good build. From Texas, that's a long drive, man.
Yeah, 17 hours, buddy.
Wow, man. Hey, really good job on the build.
Appreciate
And
it,
it
man.
doesn't flex anywhere, so you keep the pressure on the body and outside. So, really good job. I really appreciate it. What was your name?
Willard Johnson.
Willie Johnson. Jacob. All right, man. Nice to meet you, man. Yes, sir.